Welcome, dear friends. I'm Tama. In this space, we explore timeless wisdom from the teachings of the Buddha to help you live with more peace, clarity, and compassion. Whether you're here to reflect, learn, or simply slow down, you are in the right place. So, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Acceptance is often misunderstood. Many believe acceptance means giving up, surrendering effort, or turning away from life's challenges. I once believed this as well. For a long time, I resisted the word itself, thinking acceptance meant weakness. Yet what I learned, slowly and quietly, is that acceptance is not resignation. Acceptance is the moment we stop arguing with what is already here. You might recognize this struggle. A difficult conversation lingers in the body. A diagnosis waits unanswered. A job changes without permission. The mind tightens, searching for a way out, replaying what should have been said or done differently. In these moments, resistance feels active, yet it drains energy. Acceptance, when understood correctly, restores it. The first insight is simple. Acceptance does not mean liking what is happening. It does not mean approval or agreement. A person may sit at a kitchen table after receiving difficult news, shoulders heavy, breath shallow, eyes unfocused. Acceptance does not erase the weight of that moment. It allows the body to feel it without adding judgment. When we stop demanding that reality be different, tension begins to loosen on its own. For many years, I confused acceptance with passivity. I believed I had to push against discomfort to move forward. Yet each push only tightened the grip of frustration. One evening, after a long day marked by disappointment, I noticed how much effort I was spending resisting what had already occurred. In that noticing, the body softened. The situation remained unchanged. My relationship to it did not. The second insight reveals what acceptance truly is. Acceptance is an act of clarity. It is the willingness to see life as it presents itself in this moment, without distortion. Imagine someone standing quietly by a window after a difficult meeting, breathing steadily, not replaying words, not rehearsing future arguments. This stillness is not defeat, it is readiness. From this place, the mind regains balance. In Buddhist teaching, resistance multiplies suffering. When the mind argues with reality, it divides itself. Acceptance reunites it. This does not require effort. It requires honesty. To feel tension in the chest and admit it is present. To acknowledge fear without feeding it. To sit with uncertainty without rushing toward distraction. These moments of honesty restore dignity to experience. I remember a season when nothing seemed to move forward. Plans stalled, answers delayed. I spent days waiting, believing action would dissolve discomfort. One afternoon, I stopped trying to solve the moment. I sat quietly, breathing, allowing uncertainty to exist without commentary. In that pause, the body settled. The waiting remained, yet the struggle faded. Acceptance returned energy that resistance had taken. The third insight shows how acceptance restores strength. When the mind stops fighting what is already here, attention becomes available again. Clarity returns. From acceptance, action arises naturally, not from panic, but from understanding. Someone at work may pause before responding to criticism, noticing breath, posture, and tone. That pause creates choice. Acceptance clears the ground so wise action can grow. Acceptance does not close doors, it opens them. When resistance drops, perception sharpens. The body relaxes. The mind listens. From this space, boundaries form more clearly, decisions come with less noise, and movement becomes intentional rather than reactive. Acceptance is not the end of effort, it is the beginning of aligned effort. If you find yourself facing something difficult right now, I invite you to pause briefly. Notice where the body holds tension. Feel the breath moving without changing it. Acknowledge the situation as it stands, without naming it good or bad. This simple recognition is acceptance. In this recognition, strength quietly returns. As we close, remember this. Acceptance does not ask you to stop caring. It asks you to stop fighting what has already arrived. When awareness meets reality without resistance, clarity appears. From clarity, wise movement follows. If these reflections supported you, you are welcome to like this video, share it, and return for future teachings. May acceptance steady the heart. May clarity guide your steps. May effort arise from understanding rather than fear. Thank you for spending this time with me. If this teaching brought you peace or insight, I invite you to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need it. You can also leave a comment. I love hearing your reflections. Until next time, may you be well, may you be peaceful, and may your heart be light. Farewell for now.